point here where you have log 2 base 2 of 2 to the power 6a minus 2 minus 6 equals to 4 minus 6a. So let us continue. We now employ the law of logarithm that says that logarithm of a number is the power in which the base must rise to give the number. So we now change this one to index notation. So what you have here will be 2 to the power 4 minus 6a equals to 2 to the power 6a minus 6. So the left hand side now, we'll now change it to 2 to the power 4 over 2 to the power 6a and equals to 2 raised to the power 6a minus 6. Mind you, this 6 is not a power. So this one now will try to make it easier by now multiplying. So this one is 16 over 2 raised to the power 6a equals to 2 power 6a minus 6. So this time is this time is this. So this time is this will now give us what? 16 equals to 2 to the power 6a into 2 raised to the power 6a minus 6. This is a, mind you. So let y equals to 2 raised to the power 6a. This, let's call it equation S3. So our work will look clean. This implies that 16 will be equals to y into y minus 6. So if you rearrange all this equation now, what you're going to get will be y squared minus 6y minus 16 equals to 0. So we are putting a quadratic equation. So this, by looking, this equation can be factorized. So think of two numbers in which when you add them, they give you minus 6. And when you multiply them, say they give you minus 16. Clearly, the number should be minus 8 and plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. And minus 8 times 2 is minus 16. So we are putting the factors now. So you now factorize. Open this bracket like this equals to 0. So y minus 8 and y plus 2. So from here, y is either equals to 8 or y is equals to minus 2. So when x equals to y from here, then we have 2 to the power 6a will be equals to 8. So the base is 2 raised to the power 6a equals to this 8 converted to 2 to the power 3. So the bases are the same, so we now cancel it down out. So 6a will be equals to 3. Remember, we're looking for a. Divide by 6. This one. Let us use here. So a will be equals to 1 over 2 because 3 here 1, 3 here 2. That's the first result. Now when y equals to minus 2, then this equation now become 2 raised to the power 6a equals to minus 2. So there's no number in which this will rise to give us negative. That means this one is being rejected. So no solution. So our answer is this, when y is equals to 8. And that's the final answer. Bye bye.